He's a professor in mathematics. I want to believe that. Prof, good morning.
Good morning, Kofi.
Na bibi aboko there. Over the weekend, may go through the various archives, the news, what will come and do, and not pay. And I came across a Duchum having a inaugural ceremony at the University of Ghana. We collaborate with Toyota. Now, or more, a partner with the University of Ghana Automobile Department, the Engineering Department. Now, or more ensure say they can have a practical hands-on on automobile production. And I may expand the discussion. Say more than 60 to 70 years after independence, we are still drawing a baby or board. So a bird has a tail, a small wing, how do we emphasize on technical education? Na etimia bois the development of this country. And why are we not able to answer on technical education? Mona moye professors.
Kofi edika no mama nfa akonya so na metia wetiefo ene wahwefo eno etie wo Akoma FM ne other outlets ni na. Kofi technical and vocational education as for our Ghana papa. Na ni na shasie say I think a technical there one pass one anya there was basic school no last choice technical. That has been the problem of Ghana. The problem ni na ko say obi o ya die bia no obekwa ko science obekwa ko business we are wakwa ko engineer and I say medicine na we are relegate omo sabe onya maybe 29 36 odi ko TVET amun ye no Kofi abino and also buying all round me na pay lip service to TVET. Abino me say TVET and the betimi ama minor enya na ho agina so say nkwala no ko school na so mko hia nsa no dwuma no mo hia no yi a e beti aboa nkwala no mo adwuma agina omo ye dependent on aban. Number 2, and also what you are buying economy no. Let me akosho ama abino so no ho but abino de bia abino be bia pay lip service to TVET. So for me come be njiro. Apia me nka university I me adwuma wo me. Ye chain purposely say nka eno na ye university a e be hwe all TVET for you from technical universities here because for some time ago, plus all the 10 polytechnics, no, HN year, but we only to a degree University of Education, Kumasi campus, and then your friend appear Menka University. Kofi, to your sudden surprise, no, even 3 years down the line, appear Menka. Yes, and come technical, vocational, any entrepreneurship need, you know. So we would be surprised that I buy a crown and do say, I buy a my seed money. Say, university, I have to say, you're from my TVET, and then say, okay, Yamao, maybe 100 million Ghana city say, no fancy infrastructure, 90 million training, on what me, Ababa Shia and Sanuduma, no what you are practicals now manako. If you check all the 10 technical colleges of education, 8 and technical TIs, they say Kumasi Technical Institute, all other places in Ano. Okay, GSGI, German Corporation. On drum to almost guapa.
Yeah.
You miss us a buying also a buying your budget. Budget is saying okay. na ɔde to hɔ sɛ wei deɛ mede ka mfidie aba technical schools no anaasɛ apiamenka university na yɛtumi sɛ obi firi secondary school ti no na sɛ ɔba soro a na sɛ ɔbɛdwura apiamenka a practicals a wayɛ firi hɔ ba no obɛtumi abɛyɛ mmea ɛkyee saa obi ma membi kyɛ wo bibi on the currently Minister of Education see STEM schools bi
yeah
obi the best of it in the pan say and kasa STEM school is a apiamenka and kobetumi abayɛ ultramodern one as chain near was second cycle level no
okay
with state of the art equipment and think you from technical schools now I say STEM schools from we are some by university no matter to no extraordinary and some of them will say oh near me no crano that's a chain never way but more for your surprise currently equipment maybe TI no one say aha I don't know maybe even though we are doing our best. So what I'm trying to say is that the government of Ghana should not be paying lip service to technical and vocational education. And now the government of Ghana also emanate now no trying to say development partners, development partner. Now what tax now what the are doing? It is school now econo. Send over your tax. Won't we find young yes over there? Na sabi the bia obi no mabua and no.
So you admit in general say Ghana you are failing in technical education and
we have failed in fact because
yeah
we have what we call competency based training model as you see ECOS for Ghana. The competency based training model no because so you say akwala bi no useless and I say you the akwala to classroom na some nyina ye course bi for 4 years na sa akwala no ono no betime use 8 years dia course na na say 5 years dia course na ono no betime aye obia betime achieve bibi but ye nyina ye ntimi achieve at the same time ye obi ape it should be to know you need how to say you are competent and now say well you are competent and now say you are not yet competent and how many actually say you see akola we emodi bibia yes the standards na dia ma akola say akola no modu no that standard no akola no modu emanashi say when timi anye emana kodu sana yes say dey we yentimi engine tu eno nande Ghana ye nyina ye dia sa sha say ye be training your friend is saying and more technical schools and now say even vocational schools need now. Let me see I say to what level and now buying no crown what me training your friend say teachers no. So see I mean say teachers are supposed to use their own money to go and train themselves. If you buy a me train one and kasan no way and say continuous professional development. And so buying etimi edibiye Emma and teachers now more train your technical schools no on what you needed expertise on make media boa Emma at the chair and at the Shiano Akoso. If you are buying of Ghana, I'm not talking about possibly MPP are buying, but government of Ghana has failed as far as TVET is concerned. And the area they number 2 be na ama TVET etimi Akoso in the better. No kofi na me catch you say abanya ye autonomy o ma ye bibia ye betimi quiet ni aboa atransidie e ma nkola ba pia mi nka ye tine ye bi ade aboa ma enyam akoso no kofi mo ina mo betimi di ma wa tumi bi because pia mi nka university ya te say TVET die nka Ghana technical vocational entrepreneurship there was no university okay ni appear me betimi a compete nti abana mama emwa na sa TVET no etimi nkoso
but I say Professor Yarhands now but but the discussion is primarily